Welcome to the setup video of the One-for-All antenna. This video will explain how to position and set up your new antenna. First, connect the included power adapter into any standard 120 volts wall outlet. Connect the coaxial cable attached to the antenna in connector at the back of the TV or set-top box. Position the antenna as high as possible, close to or in a window and facing the direction of the TV towers for best reception. If you are not sure in which direction your TV towers are, please check channelchecker.com and it will tell you in 3 simple steps. Now you can perform a channel scan on your TV. Set the tuner mode of the TV to antenna first, then choose Channel Scan. With other TVs, this may be called Auto Program, Auto Tuning, Auto Scan or Channel Search in the setup menu of your TV. If the number of channels or the quality is poor, please change the antenna's position and repeat all steps. Remember to re-scan on your TV after whenever you move the antenna. With these few simple steps, you have just installed the One-for-All antenna. Happy viewing!